What made me want to learn code was pretty much just I saw some YouTube videos of other people doing it. I was already into computer software by troubleshooting things that I was doing when I was making music. Beforehand, I was actually teaching myself a little bit of front-end software development, and then I ended up choosing this school because it was more for back-end and a couple of the other features that the school has. I really enjoy the fact that I'd be building things, building applications. It's a really good way of expressing yourself. How I found out about Promineo Tech was I was actually planning to move around this area. So I was searching around on Google, and I actually found them on a blog. What made me choose Promineo Tech over other schools was the fact that the cost was, number one, cheap, and secondly, I didn't have to pay until I got the job, and that really put me at a good financial point. My experience at Promineo Tech was definitely nice being in a small cohort. I definitely learned so much so fast, and just having the help readily available really made it just the driving point of being able to expand my knowledge. I think the hardest part about the program was the fact that you learn so much in a small amount of time. Having to do that definitely made me run into things I didn't know I was going to run into, issues and whatnot, troubleshooting, and it definitely led me to expand my knowledge. The instructors definitely care about the students. You only really meet once a week, and most of it's online, and if you have any questions, someone's always available to answer them. They're definitely there, even on like weekends and whatnot. Even after graduating, I didn't really have as much of a imposter syndrome as I thought I would have, just because I had the skill that Promineo Tech was able to give me. I would definitely recommend Promineo Tech. It's definitely a great school. I've looked everywhere, I tried finding other schools, and nobody really had what Promineo Tech really had to offer, especially when it came to the price, the knowledge, as well as just being there for the students.